You clicked this video because you saw something that almost sounds too simple to be true. 1 spoon before bed that may help rebuild muscle after 60. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what that spoon is, why it works, and how older adults can use it safely and naturally. The truth is, most seniors lose muscle quietly every single night, and fixing that nighttime decline is the secret no one talks about. What I'm about to share isn't hype, it isn't magic, but it is something doctors rarely ever explain, even though research has proven how powerful it can be. After 60, your body's ability to repair muscle drops sharply, especially at night when recovery is supposed to happen. You may notice weaker legs, difficulty carrying things, or feeling tired in the morning, and that's often because your muscles aren't getting the nourishment they need while you sleep. But the right thing taken at the right time, and thus 1 spoon before bed, can drastically change how your body rebuilds strength overnight. And once you understand how it works, you'll see why this simple habit can help you wake up stronger instead of weaker. Now let's talk about the spoon itself, because this is the part that surprises people the most. The 1 spoon before bed that supports muscle rebuilding after 60 is a spoon of casein protein or Greek yogurt, something slow digesting that feeds your muscles throughout the night. Unlike regular protein sources that digest quickly and disappear from the bloodstream within a couple of hours, casein releases amino acids slowly for 7 to 8 hours. That means your body gets a steady supply of nourishment exactly when it needs it for muscle repair. Most seniors get plenty of protein during the day, but almost none during the hours when muscle recovery actually happens. Nighttime is when your cells regenerate, tissues heal, and muscles rebuild after even simple daily activities. Without protein available overnight, your body has no choice but to break down existing muscle to get what it needs. This is one of the biggest and least discussed reasons why older adults wake up feeling weaker over time. Casein is especially helpful because of its unique absorption pattern. It turns into a slow, gel-like form in the stomach, giving your muscles a steady drip of amino acids instead of a quick flood. This prevents muscle breakdown, promotes tissue repair, and supports strength building while you sleep. That's why athletes have used it for years, but seniors often need it even more. If you don't have casein powder, 1 spoon of thick Greek yogurt before bed delivers a similar slow-release benefit. Greek yogurt is rich in calcium, probiotics, and high-quality protein that your body can use all night long. The texture and density of Greek yogurt also make it digest more slowly, which keeps your muscles fed until morning. Just make sure it's unsweetened and plain so you aren't loading up on sugar before bed. For those who prefer natural foods instead of powders, cottage cheese is another incredible option. A spoon of cottage cheese provides casein naturally and has been used for decades as a nighttime protein source. It helps older adults maintain lean muscle, supports stronger bones, and even stabilizes blood sugar during sleep. The best part is that it's easy on digestion and gentle enough for most seniors to tolerate. Now you might wonder why doctors don't talk about this simple nighttime strategy. The truth is, most doctors focus on medication and daytime dietary habits, not nighttime nutrition. They also assume seniors are already consuming enough protein, but research shows that most older adults fall far below the levels needed for proper muscle maintenance. And very few medical professionals are trained to emphasize protein timing, even though timing matters almost as much as total intake. Studies have shown that adults over 60 who take slow-digesting protein before bed gain more muscle strength and maintain better mobility. The body responds well to this nighttime feeding because it prevents the natural muscle loss that normally happens during sleep. Muscle breakdown slows down, muscle repair speeds up, and you wake up with better stability and energy. This is especially important for preventing falls, improving balance, and maintaining independence long-term. Another major benefit of this routine is that nighttime protein helps regulate metabolism. As you age, slow metabolism contributes to weight gain, fatigue, and blood sugar fluctuations. But when your muscles have enough amino acids to work with overnight, they stay active and demand more energy the following day. That means you burn more calories even while resting, supporting healthier weight and body composition. Some seniors worrying that eating before bed is bad, but that's only true with sugary or fatty foods. Protein, especially slow-digesting protein, does not cause weight gain when used correctly. In fact, it stabilizes your blood sugar, reduces nighttime hunger, and lowers the risk of waking up tired or shaky. This allows your body to enter deeper, more restorative sleep, another key factor in muscle recovery. Let's talk about how much you should take. 1 spoon of casein protein powder mixed with water or warm milk is enough for most older adults. If you're using Greek yogurt, 1 full tablespoon is perfect, not too heavy, not too light. For cottage cheese, a small spoonful delivers the same slow-release benefits and works well even for those who prefer a lighter evening snack. You don't need to do this every single night to feel the benefits. Even 3 to 4 nights a week can make a noticeable difference in strength, energy, and muscle tone. Many people report waking up feeling sturdier, more balanced, and more capable during the day. As weeks pass, small improvements add up to major changes in mobility and independence. Now, let's pair this habit with one simple action that makes it even more powerful. Before taking your spoon of nighttime protein, drink a small glass of warm water or herbal tea to help digestion and hydration. Hydrated muscles rebuild faster and respond better to protein. This simple combination creates the ideal environment for overnight recovery. Another helpful tip is to avoid heavy meals within 2 hours of bedtime so your stomach isn't overloaded. Your nighttime protein works best when your digestive system is calm and ready to absorb nutrients slowly. If you tend to eat dinner late, consider making dinner lighter and saving your nighttime protein spoon for your final calming moment before sleep. This small shift can improve both your muscle strength and your sleep quality. If you have diabetes or digestive issues, choose Greek yogurt as your nighttime spoon because it is gentler on blood sugar. The probiotics also support digestion and gut health, which are essential for nutrient absorption. Seniors with sensitive stomachs often tolerate Greek yogurt better than protein powders. Always choose the option that feels most comfortable for your body. To make this habit even more enjoyable, you can add a tiny pinch of cinnamon to your yogurt or casein mix. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar and adds natural flavor without sugar. It also provides antioxidants that support healthier aging and reduced inflammation. These little extras make your nightly routine both effective and enjoyable. You may also combine your nighttime spoon with light stretching before bed. Stretching gently opens your joints, relaxes your muscles, and improves circulation, which helps deliver protein to the tissues that need it. Even 2 minutes of simple leg or back stretches can make a huge difference in how your body absorbs and uses nutrients during sleep. Consider adding a calming breathing routine for deeper sleep and better recovery. Now let's talk about results, because this is where seniors usually get excited. Within 1 to 2 weeks, you may notice improved morning energy, less stiffness, and better balance. Within a month, many older adults notice increased leg strength, greater walking confidence, and improved ease in daily activities like standing up, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries. Over time, this small nighttime habit contributes to healthier aging and stronger muscles that help you remain independent. Remember that muscle is the key to aging well. Strong muscles protect your bones, improve your balance, support your joints, and help regulate your hormones and metabolism. Losing muscle increases your risk of falls, weakness, fatigue, and long-term health decline. But rebuilding muscle even after 60 is absolutely possible with the right strategy. Your nighttime spoon is not a replacement for good nutrition, it's an enhancer. Eating balanced meals during the day with enough protein, vegetables, and healthy fats is essential. But the nighttime spoon fills the gap that most seniors don't even realize exists. It makes sure your muscles have what they need when your body is naturally repairing itself. If you combine this with light exercise a few times a week, the benefits multiply. Your muscles will respond faster, your strength will build more smoothly, and your mobility will feel more stable. You don't need heavy weight lifting, just simple movements like standing squats, light arm exercises, or short walks. Your nighttime protein supports all of these efforts and helps turn them into real results. Some people ask how long to continue this habit, and the answer is, as long as you want to stay strong. This is a long-term, gentle, safe routine that supports your body in the most natural way possible. Unlike harsh supplements or complicated routines, this method works with your body's natural recovery cycles. And the older you get, the more valuable this becomes. So now you know the truth that few doctors ever explain. The secret to rebuilding muscle after 60 happens at night, and one simple spoon before bed can make all the difference. It's an easy habit, a safe habit, and a proven way to support healthy aging from the inside out. Your muscles deserve the fuel they need to keep you active, independent, and strong. And your future self will thank you for making this choice tonight. If you found this video helpful and want more simple, science-backed tips for staying strong and healthy after 60, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Diamond Health Guide. Your support helps us reach more seniors who want to live longer, healthier, and more independent lives. And if you know someone who struggles with weakness or muscle loss, sharing this video could make a big difference in their journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again with another life-changing health tip.